How often have you found yourself judging someone based on their wealth? You see someone driving a fancy car, living in a mansion, or just flaunting their riches, and you wonder, what did they do to deserve all that? Let me tell you a story. I was once walking with a group of friends when a man drove past in a Mustang, the engine roaring, clearly showing off. I was about to express my admiration when my friends scoffed, sneering at the display of wealth. At that moment, I realized that their attitude towards wealth was fundamentally flawed. If they could only see wealth as something to be scorned or envied, they would never achieve it themselves. This encounter led me to reassess my own beliefs about wealth. I distanced myself from those friends and began to surround myself with a different kind of influence. I started reading books, listening to podcasts, and attending seminars by successful individuals. I immersed myself in the wisdom of the wealthy and let it shape my perspective on wealth. Here's a nugget of wisdom from Ralph Waldo Emerson. A man is what he thinks all day. If you spend your day consuming content that fosters a healthy attitude towards wealth, you too will start to see wealth in a different light. Soon, you will start seeing the results in your own life. Here's a list of my favorite mentors: Arturo Elias Ayub, Ayn Rand, Brian Tracy, Dale Carnegie, and so many others. I urge you to look them up, see what they specialize in, and choose the one that resonates with you the most. Now, here's a challenge. Think of someone you truly admire, a successful entrepreneur perhaps. It could be someone from the list I provided, or someone you know personally. Study them. Look at the books they read, the courses they take, the skills they have, the values they uphold, and the priorities they set. Start emulating these things and watch as your life takes a turn for the better. Remember, your attitude towards wealth can either hinder or propel your journey to financial success. So change your perspective, embrace the wisdom of the wealthy, and watch as the doors to prosperity open for you.